everyone. Today we are going to learn the concept doubling and halving, which is useful for multiplication and division. So let us see first what is meant by doubling. Doubling means adding a number to itself is called as doubling. So let us see some examples. See the first example, 23 plus 23. How we can add 20 plus 20? 40. 3 plus 3? 6. 40 plus 6? 46. So 46 is the answer. See the next example, 58 plus 58. So first add 50 plus 50, 100. 8 plus 8, 16. So 100 plus 16, 116. See another example, 263 plus 263. So 26 plus 26, how much it is? 52. 3 plus 3, 6. So the answer is 526. See next, multiplying by 4 and 8. Doubling can be used to multiply by 4. That is, just double the number twice. So, see the example 35 multiplied by 4. What we have to do? 35, double the number twice. So, 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So, first multiply by 2. 35 into 2, how much? 70. Now this value again multiply by 2. 72 is 140 is the answer. See the next example, 163 multiplied by 4. So what we have to do? 163 multiplied by 2 again multiplied by 2. So 163 2s are. How we will do? 16 double 32, 3 double 6. So 163 2s are 326. Now this value is multiplied by 2. So 3 double 6, 26 double 52. So the answer is 652. See next, doubling can be used to multiply by 8 also. That is, just double the number thrice. 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. So let us see example 35 multiplied by 8. So 35 into 2 again multiplied by 2 again multiplied by 2. So double the number thrice. 35 2s 70. 70 means multiplied by 2. Again that is multiplied by 2. So 72s are 140. That is multiplied by 2. That means 280 is the answer. 163 multiplied by 8. That is 163 multiplied by 2. Again it is multiplied double time. That is 163 double the number thrice. So first 163 multiplied by 2. 16 double how much? 32. 3 double 6. So 163 multiplied by 2 is 326. Now this value is multiplied by 2 now. 3 double 6, 26 double 52. So 326 multiplied by 2, answer is 652. Now this value again multiplied by 2. So next 65 double 130, 2 double 4. So the answer is 1304. See next, halving. Halving is opposite of doubling. See an example, half of 42, 40 half 20, 2 half 1, 20 plus 1, 21. See another example, half of 56. So 50 half is 25, 6 half is 3. So 25 plus 3 is 28. So 56 half is 28. See another example, 736. What we have done first? Split the number 700 plus 36. Now half of this value we should write. Then after we must combine. 700 half how much? That is 350. Next 36 half is 18. Now add these both, 350 plus 18. So it is 368. Next, dividing by 4 and 8. Halving can be used to divide by 4. See now 72 divided by 4. So what we have to do? 72 half the number twice. So 72 is divided by 2 and again it is divided by 2. So 70 half 35, 2 half 1. So 35 plus 1, 36. That is 72 divided by 2 means 36. Now this 36 is again divided by 2. That is half the value. 36 half is 18. See next example. 164 divided by 4. So what we have to do? 164, first half it and again that value we must do half. So 164 half how much? 16 half 8, 4 half is 2. So 164 divided by 2 is 82. Now this 82 again it is made into half. So 8 half 4 and 2 half 1. So 82 divided by 2 answer is 41. Halving can also be used to divide by 8. That is just half the number thrice. Here 72 is divided by 8. So what we have to do? Half the number 72 3 times. So 72 divided by 2. Now this is divided by 2 and again it is divided by 2. 72 divided by 2. So 70 half 35, 2 half 1. So it is 36. 72 divided by 2 is 36. Now this 36 is again divided by 2. So 36 half is 18. 18 half. So 18 again divided by 2. So 18 half is 9. So 72 when divided by 8 value is 9. See the next example, 504 divided by 8. So 504 is 3 times it is divided by 2. 504 divided by 2. Again it is divided by 2. And last again divided by 2. So 504 divided by 2. That is 50 half how much? 25. And 4 half is 2. So 504 divided by 2 is 252. Now this 252 is divided by 2 now. So 252 half. So 2 half 1. 52 half 26. So 126 is again divided by 2.
So the answer is 63.
So therefore 504 divided by 8 answer is 63. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.